Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You already have the video, now act fast. First, make sure the video is set to public and metadata is complete because platforms reward clarity and accessibility. Next, craft a thumbnail and title that promise value in one glance that drives clicks. Then upload subtitles and 3 targeted tags to help discovery. Once done, schedule a short social burst, a post with 1 link and a pinned comment. These initial moves push the algorithm to consider your content. Now you scale visibility by improving watch signals and distribution. You need a strong hook in the first 5 to 15 seconds so viewers stay. Retention matters more than raw clicks. Then add clear timestamps and chapters to increase session time. Simultaneously repurpose a 15-60-second clip for another platform and link back. That sends referral traffic. Make sure to ask for one specific action, like a comment prompt, because engagement signals the algorithm that your content is worth sharing. To finish, analyze performance and iterate quickly. Look at CTR and average view duration to pinpoint drop-off. Why did people leave? Once you identify weak spots, test alternate thumbnails and titles for 3 to 7 days to measure change. If organic traction remains 0, reupload after editing the opener or run a small paid promotion to jumpstart impressions. If problems persist, make sure there are no copyright blocks or community strikes. Fix those before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.